Hello and welcome to another episode of Teaching, Learning, Tutorials and Tech. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use the clipping mask in Photoshop. So I have my image here, and if I go to my layers panel, I've got my background here and I have my cookies here, cookie layer here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the text in the text panel, press T, it's right here. So I'm going to type in cookies. Let's go for capital letters. So what you want is a thick font. So I'm using Impact here. Okay, place it like this. And now I want the image on top of the text, like that. Next, hold down right click or control click, go to create clipping mask, and that's it. You have now just created a clipping mask in Photoshop. Hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Come back and for some more tutorials. Bye for now.